Hey, what's up, guys? This is my bike check, and let's get started here. Starting with the bars, we have, I believe they're Haro Slim bars. They're pretty nice, 26 wide, 8-inch rise, small bars, I like them. ODI long neck grips we got here. And the stolen Convict V2 stem, and an animal integrated headset. Moving on to the forks, we have S&M Pitchforks. Pretty nice, I like them. Nice and strong. We have the stock Haro Forum Interlock wheel. It's an Alienation plain black rim, and the hub on it is amazing. I love it. It's so nice, spins long and fast. Onto the drivetrain, we've got premium 1948 cranks, stolen class ring sprocket, Shadow Interlock V2 chain. We've got the Eastern Bi-Rectional cassette hub, flip to left-hand drive, nice. And that is laced to an Alienation 440 rim. And we've got the Demolition Monaco back tire. We've got the stolen Thermalite pivotal seat post, and an Odyssey Aitken Nightwolf seat. It's pretty baller. It's great. In the frame is a stolen center frame. It's pretty nice. Thanks for watching and checking my bike out, and go have fun on yours and do some crazy tricks, man. Peace out.
And me sitting stagnant of old action. My faction blasting with slinging axes. The world's axis. Kill because we bitch slapped it. Max get patience. Strike while you're waiting. Impregnate your inner lobe with vibrations. We walk the moon like lunar space stations. We walk the walk cause we fucking make statements.